There you are, my new Apple TV. 4K. Ordered it online in apple.com. Nicely packed. So, let's see. This is supposed to give you the ultimate cinematic experience with the stunning 4K HDR picture quality and Atmos sounds. Nice. And this is the 32 gig Apple TV, and we shall see. So what is in this box? There you go. There is the Apple TV thing. And there's the remote control. Very nice. There are little stickers. The connector. The power cord. And what else in here? Oh, this is the power cord. Neat. And that's it. Nothing else. Yeah. So that's that. The equipment itself. The TV, the remote control, the power cord. And I guess this is the charger for the remote control. Yes, rechargeable. And the little Apple sticker.